Hey, hi. My son says he has a crappy camera. Send him a new one. No. Thought I'd do a quick update on my 87 square body Chevy pickup I'm redoing. That was my dad's. Um, kind of going slow. So I think this week I kind of worked on getting the camshaft installed, which runs this way. The engine's pointed this way, and the guy running the camera is sitting down, so he can't really show it. Um, he's making faces at me. So, yeah. So we got the camshaft, we got the lifters installed, uh, uh, the timing chain sprockets all in. I thought I'd try something I'd never done before, so I bought a camshaft degree wheel kit, and this one's made by Cams, little 9-inch degree wheel, and it's perfect for just my little home shop. I think if I was doing this as a full-time paid mechanic, I would get the big all, I don't know what they call it, but it stands way up here, and it's really nice to read. I learned a lot. I never degreed a camshaft before. The camshafts come with these little cards, tells you all the specs in it and what the camshaft was ground for. And so I looked on a lot of different YouTube channels to get an idea, and found Eric. What's his name? It's called Eric the Car Guy, I think. I'll try to leave a link somewhere up here, and or in the description, something just to his channel. It was really educational. He went to another engine builder shop. They degreed a cam, and it really helped me out. They had a lot different stuff. Their degree wheel was the big one, and it was made by Cams. But in this kit, it comes with everything you need to do to get this. You always want to find the top dead center, which you have top dead center on your degree wheel, matched with the piston, matched with the camshaft going in here, so everything runs together. Kit comes with a indicator to find top dead center. That was interesting, the method to use this. I had to learn that on the channel. A dial indicator, that's really important, so you know your lifts and everything. It was just really cool learning all that stuff. The different ways you set, your little stand. Oh, I guess I should go slower. Your little stand, and the different parts to get your dial indicator from where the stand goes up over and resting on a lifter. It also came with a straight pointer, and that's what tells you on this degree wheel. Once you find top dead center, this is mounted to the bolts where the timing cover would go, and it lines up. Then you can get it lined up. So like I was down, and you indicate over, and you adjust this so when you rotate it, basically 130 or 360 degrees is a full circle. So basically you're only going, I set it so it would be at 20 degrees off when I ran the piston for the crank forward for top dead and backwards. Those equal up. So when you take this top dead center's plate off, if you put it then to 0 on here, you're right at top dead center. It was a real learning experience. I had done over the years several engines, always just pulled the camshaft out of the box, threw it in. This time I decided to actually degree it, make sure it was all there. Came with another great little tool I'd never had, and it was a tool for mounting. Why don't you come over here? On the front of the crankshaft, not only doesn't make it a place to, you can see where that's unscrewing. That's where you'd put the green wheel. So that holds it in place once you get it done. But it also, I'd always used, I don't know, something to hook against the keyway, but this really made it nice for turning this engine over or around, spinning it. Made it super easy. This thing spins really good. You can tell it's tight, but you can tell it spins easy. So I think it's going to do some really good. I'm to the point now that I think I'm going to, my next little project is getting the heads on the car. When they did the heads, with the camshaft and lifters and this whole kit, came with timing chain, came with the lifters, came with the camshaft, of course, and oh, the valve springs, which are down in here, which were doubles, new locks for the valves and new seals. The machine shop was not supposed to put both sets of valve springs on this, and so I have to take each valve apart, take out the center spring, which I don't know if you can see it, but there's the outside spring, and then there's the doubler in there, which stiffens it up, and it's matched. These springs are matched for this camshaft, and that's one thing Comp Cams really recommends, that you use their lifters, their cam spring, or their valve springs, retainers, and it all came in a kit. Somewhere I have the box, but it was pretty cool. So I'm gonna take this apart. I gotta clean these better. It had a full valve job, but I'm gonna take it apart, clean it out, and get it set up to put on the engine. Get all the push rods, make sure they're the right length, get those all set in here. And then once this is in, the valve train's in, I'll flip it over, get the oil pump on, the pickup tube, and just keep moving along on this engine build. Like I said, I'm going really slow. I'm not really in a hurry. Started this project in November, and it's already August. But I would like to get it done because there's different things I could use the truck for. But I'm excited about getting my dad's old '87 Chevy square body pickup. And there's some different things I'll show videos on, because there's some, I gotta really clean it. I gotta get the air conditioner working. I gotta get some dents out of it. Upholstery. We'll try to do some of the upholstery ourselves. Just for the fun of it, because we can, and my time is cheap and money is short. So we'll get this thing built. Yeah, I want to thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the little notification bell so you can receive all my new videos. Leave me a comment down in the comment section and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'd like to see if we can really build this channel. And yeah, and I'll catch you on the next video, and we'll keep moving along with the build on this truck. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.